Papa, what is peace?
Well, many in the world say peace is the way, but when you ask them what it is, they're not sure what to say. More than just a feeling or a goal for some day, it's the reason we are here, it's the reason we pray.
Papa, how does the world reach this peaceful state?
Forgiveness, acceptance, learn to meditate. Finding peace is a journey of self-discovery. We must heal our wounds on the road to recovery. The reason there's chaos in the world of today is the minds of our people are full of fear and dismay. Finding peace in our lives starts with a choice to silence ourselves and listen to our inner voice. The truth of love rings through loud and clear as we connect to our breath and exhale away fear. By shining your light, you make peace where you go, and everywhere you are, you allow peace to grow.
Papa, how do we overcome our fear?
Courage, curiosity, being willing to explore. When the whole world does this, there'll be no more war. Peace starts now. It starts here with you. Becoming the change is what we must do. The journey can be tough. It may hurt us at times. In moments of doubt, ask for guidance and signs. And the answers can come in mysterious ways, sometimes instantly, others in days. Be grateful, give thanks. These are good places to start. Do this every day and it will open your heart. I wish you much luck. I know you'll do great.
Papa, I look forward with no more hate.
Me too. And because you choose peace in this time and space, the world is already a much better place. So thank you, thank you, thank you, my boy.
Papa, can the whole world find peace and joy?
Yes, and it starts with you and me.